The fully automated enamel inner tank production line employs advanced processes and automation technology, specially designed for manufacturing high-quality enamel water tanks. It can process sheet materials with a thickness of 1.5 to 3.0 millimeters and supports the production of inner tanks with diameters ranging from 300 to 800 millimeters and capacities of 50 to 500 L, meeting the needs of households, commercial applications, and large-scale buildings. The highly automated process ensures stable and consistent production, with a daily capacity of 100 to 300 units, allowing flexible adaptation to different production requirements. The enamel coating and sintering stages are equipped with precise temperature control and efficient spraying technology, endowing the inner tanks with excellent corrosion resistance, high temperature resistance, and oxidation resistance, thereby extending the product's lifespan. Fully automated operations reduce manual intervention, further enhancing efficiency, lowering costs, and ensuring quality. This production line not only elevates the level of automation and production capacity but also allows flexible adjustment of output to meet market demands for water tanks of varying capacities, helping companies compete globally. Its intelligent control system also simplifies equipment maintenance, reduces failure rates, and ensures long-term stable operation.